Hi friends, so for math today, you are going to start working on our Durham test to show me and your grown-ups what you know in math. So I'm going to show you the activity in Seesaw and then I'm going to remind you of what you're supposed to do during that activity, okay? So let me share my screen with you so that you can see. So this activity is titled May 4th Math because today is Monday, May 4th. And you are going to tell us how well you can read numbers, write numbers, and represent numbers or show numbers in drawings. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? I know. I was going to start with the easiest thing this week since I know we might still be tired from the weekend. So if you need help with the directions, you can read them or you can click this play button down here because that shows you that I actually recorded the directions for you. So then you can hear me read them to you if you need help, okay? So on page 1, it says record the numbers that come between 21 and 30 when counting. So what is this number? 21. You are going to fill in all of the numbers until you get to 30, just like if you were looking at a hundreds board. Then it says record the numbers that come after 53 when counting. So we have 51, 52, 53. And then we keep going. So remember in class when we were practicing how to count forward from any number? So let's say that I picked 34. And you are supposed to keep counting. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So remember when I get to 39, I have to start thinking about that new decade number because 39 has 3 10s and 9 1s. But can I have 3 10s and 10 1s? No, we have to bundle and make a new 10. What if I picked 66 and told you to keep counting? 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, and then you keep going until I tell you to stop. So all of you know how to count forward from any number. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to remember how to write those numbers. So remember, if you have a 2-digit number, the number of 10s comes first, then the number of 1s, okay? That is easy peasy lemon squeezy, Miss Kay. So let me show you page 2. So this activity on Seesaw has 2 pages. So if you look right here, we have on the right, it has page 1 and page 2. So make sure that when you're doing your Seesaw activities, you check to see how many pages there are. So I'm going to click to page 2 after I've done page 1. And if I need to listen to the directions again, I can click view instructions and listen to me read them to you. But it says draw 17 objects. Easy peasy. I would suggest drawing circles for this just because that's going to be a little bit easier for you and it's going to be a little bit easier for me to count your objects. Remember that good mathematicians always go back and recount to check to make sure that they drew the right number, okay? Then the last activity, how many circles are there? All you're going to do is count the circles. So remember when we have a lot of something, there's a way that we can group them to help us remember how many there are. So be thinking about how you can create groups when you have lots of things. Think about when we were grouping our pumpkin seeds. What was the easiest way to group those? But that's all you have to do for math today. Just show us that you can read numbers, that you can write numbers, and that you can draw pictures to show numbers. Easy peasy, friends. Have a great day, okay? Can't wait to see what you can do.